This video walks you through how to add a new user in Xero. Begin by logging into your Xero account with your usual sign-in details. After you are signed in, open the organization where you want to add the new user. If your account has access to more than one organization, make sure you are in the correct one before you continue, since user access is managed separately for each organization. Once the organization is open, go to the area where account and organization options are stored. Click your organization name or your profile menu, depending on the layout you see on screen. This will open a menu with account-related options. From that menu, select Settings to move into the section where User Access is managed. Inside Settings, look for the Users option and click it. This opens the page that shows the people who already have access to the organization, along with their roles and status. If the page takes a moment to load, wait until the list appears before continuing. On the Users page, select Invite a User. This opens the invitation form for adding someone new to the organization. In the fields provided, enter the new user's name and email address. Use the email address they will check personally because the invitation will be sent there and they will need to open it to finish getting access. After entering their details, move to the Permissions section. Choose the appropriate user permissions for the work this person needs to do in Xero. Review the options carefully and select only the access that matches their role. This is the part that controls what they can view or change once they join the organization, so it is worth pausing here to confirm the right permission level before sending the invite. When the name, email address, and permissions are all set, click Send Invite. Xero will send an email invitation to the address you entered. At that point, the invitation is created, but the new user still needs to complete their part before they can enter the organization. Ask the new user to check their email and accept the invitation. They will need to open the message from Xero and follow the invitation link to access your Xero organization. If they do not see the email right away, they may need to check their spam or junk folder, but access will not be active until that invitation is accepted. Once they accept, their access will be connected to the organization with the permissions you assigned. If needed later, you can return to the users page to review or adjust their access, but for now, the setup process ends after the invitation is sent and accepted. The new user has now been invited to your Xero organization with the selected permissions.